This is the Yochoice rechargeable battery operated LED A19 light bulb with remote control, 2-pack. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It came packaged great. Everything was wrapped in bubble wrap to keep it safe during travels. Inside the package, you are going to get the 2 light bulbs themselves, a remote control, the easy to read instructions, 2 USB to USB Type-C charging cables because these are rechargeable devices. Each bulb has a 2000 milliamp rechargeable battery in it to give us roughly 6 to 12 hours of usage time. I have not run them all the way out yet, so I don't know how long it takes to fully recharge them once they've fully discharged. The bulb itself has an E26 base on the bottom, so it is compatible with your standard E26 light fixtures. And here you can see it next to a standard LED A19 light bulb. You can control the bulb 2 different ways. There's a button right here on the bulb that allows you to turn it on and off and cycle through the 9 different colors. But for full functionality, you're going to want to use this remote control that comes along with it. Just press it to turn it on or off. I got the white in here. You can see it fits into a standard socket. If you press the button on the bulb, you can cycle through the different settings. There's the cool, pink, green. With the remote control, you can also use it to turn it on or off. You have an off button, an on button, and you can see that they're synced up here. You can pick your favorite color here based on these color settings that are available to you here. Let's go with red. See it, green, blue, anything you want. You can use one of the 3 different timer settings here. We've got 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes. And you can also adjust the brightness. There are 10 different brightness settings. You can see you can dim it down to 10% or go all the way back up to 100%. And this remote comes with a battery. When you get it, you just pull the plastic tab out of the bottom and it is ready to go. Going through the bulb here, there's a smooth flash mode here that changes and does all kinds of different stuff. Set to 3000K, 4000K, or 6000K. So there you go, 2 rechargeable light bulbs that would be perfect for places that you don't normally have electricity run to or wired fixtures installed. You know, it's perfect for like a shed, maybe a closet, an RV, a tent while you're out camping. I think these are going to be great for power outages. When we have power outages here, you know, I can put one of these in the bathroom or wherever you need it, put it in a lamp and carry it around. This would be great as a desk lamp or some kind of mood lamp with all the different color options you have set on here. You can set the lamp to set up a certain little ambiance there for you, all kinds of uses. Very nice.